What's up, everybody? Robert Sykes, KetoSavage.com.
Crystal Love, KetoSavage.com.
Whew, I've trained her well. Alright, so today, last week we did those super balls, the liver meat balls. I've been kind of on a organ meat micronutrient powerhouse kick lately. And if you've gone to the grocery store and you've seen this crazy looking beef tongue thing, you've probably like, man, that looks disgusting. I wonder what it tastes like. Well, today I figured I'd find out what it tastes like. So I didn't even know what the macros were on it, you know. So I looked at the macros, and the macros are perfect ketogenic macros. Perfect. Like, you don't have to do anything to it. So this is gonna be a super simple recipe. We're just gonna pretty much cook it in olive oil, and then I'll be able to taste it and see what it tastes like. But 1 beef tongue, 3 cups of water, because we're gonna boil it in a pressure cooker first, and then we're gonna cook it with olive oil. This is for a 4-ounce serving. For a 4-ounce serving, you get these macros.
450 calories, 40 grams of fat, 0 grams of carbs, 22 grams of protein, which is 80% fat and 20% protein. Which
is perfect ketogenic macros.
Oh, perfect ketogenic macros.
Perfect. All right, let's make some tongue.
So we went ahead and got a pressure cooker, well, for this recipe, but for also future recipes as well. If you do not have a pressure cooker, then you can go ahead and just boil it on the stove or in a crock pot, and it's 1 hour that you're gonna wanna boil it or stew it per pound of tongue.
Alright, so when you were a kid, your mom probably always told you, when you're brushing your teeth, don't forget to brush your tongue. Gotta have a clean tongue. We're about to clean this tongue. Weird.
Oh my god.
So wash off your tongue. Look at that. Alright, y'all, so like Crystal said, if you don't have a pressure cooker, you could just boil it and then simmer it for 1 pound or 1 hour per pound of tongue. If you do have a pressure cooker, and this is my first time using this thing, so I'm learning right now too, you're gonna add 2 cups of water. Maybe 1 more cup here. Alright, so 2 cups of water. And then we're gonna put our tongue in there. Look at that tongue. And then we're gonna seal it up. Make sure it's sealed, doesn't explode on you. And we're gonna put it on meat stew. It's gonna be 35 minutes. Alrighty, y'all. It has pressure cooked for 35 minutes, then naturally release that pressure while still being in there for the last 30 minutes. Let's open it up and see what we got. Alright, so once you take it out, while it's still warm, but able to touch it, you want to skin the outer layer of the tongue and get to the actual meat. So we're going to go ahead and peel off the skin here. Comes off pretty easily, actually.
I wish you guys could all see my face.
Alright, y'all, so cut it into little medallions, and we're going to throw these in the skillet. So just cut you up some tongue here. That's it. We're going to put some salt and pepper on, some olive oil on, and heat it up. Alright, so this whole thing is edible. The glands is in the back of the tongue. There's more fat there, so good if you're on keto. I'm going to go ahead and just go for the tip of the tongue and eat the tip of the tongue, so we'll see what that's like.
Alright, so we're going to add some salt and pepper to this and then throw it into the skillet. The skillet already has olive oil in it.
Alrighty, y'all. Moment of truth. Let's dig into some tongue. You gonna get a bite? No. It's actually really good. That's really good.
Not even jealous.
You can't be saying that. You haven't tried it.
I don't know. That liver looked good, it smelled good, and this smells good. But like, washing the beginning stages, a little rough for me.
And I was reading recipes on this. If you cook it for longer, it basically like shreds, like shredded pork. So you can like use it for like tacos, or you can cook it in medallions like this. But I'm pleasantly surprised. I'm gonna be eating some tongue more often.